know you.
Oh,
I know you. I'm not your friend anymore.
she's like scratching
Scratching his legs.
Okay, can we go? Go, 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 go. Seriously. Go. Come on, baby. Leave us alone.
The other one. The other one is coming to join.
Oh my.
No, no, no.
Where's the third one?
Ah, maybe it's behind you.
No.
Oh, she's over
To the
here.
left.
To the left. To the left. Right over there. She's coming.
Back up.
She's coming. You gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta go.
Oh, jeez.
You only have 3, right?
Now we are safe.
No.
Now we're safe?
Together.
They are together. So now
Oh, they're peeing all over the place. They're spraying. Okay, we should go.
Can we go back?
Oh,
Good visual. Can I join you there? Chris, I think they're on the road now, but I'm still a bit far. I'm also approaching them.
Did you get that, Susan?
Oh my god.
Next copy, 181, Yabonga, but there's a station there.
Thanks.
I don't know where that station is.
Tell us what they think.
oh.
Stella, do you copy Stella?
Copy. They are on the road now. Visual 55.